Across the stages of construction, right? So we have planning, and we have actual construction phase, and then you have the maintenance phase, right? Say a technology like drone, we talked about the planning stage, right, a little bit. So can you elaborate how it can be used in the construction phase as well as in the maintenance phase?
Right. So, I mean, like you were associated for a part of the pre-planning. So we can actually take it much more in the pre-planning or the planning stage, where drones will be used to do not only the contour survey, but also the hydrology and also marking the boundary or the construction monitoring that is in the during the construction phase and after construction in the O&M. So during the construction phase, you can maybe after 15 days or 1 month once, you can have this AutoCAD superimposed on the actual construction and then check what is the progress. So this will be really helpful for the banks and for the disbursement of fund and probably for your insurance claims which may come later, and also for the management to track what is the say-do ratio of the teams where we have committed 3 months or 4 months of construction time and we are lagging or we are on the schedule or behind the schedule. And on the O&M phase, we can do this thermography, we can check encroachment of the land, or we can check the boundary intact or not. So many things can be done during the O&M phase as well. And during the probably you would have heard a few weeks or few months back, there was some storm and a lot of solar modules had gone. So to do the claim, we need to give a footages. So the drone survey is really very good in that way, because this is a large area. You will not know what is the damage the storm has done to your plant on a isolated areas. So on a combined area, once you give a drone footages, maybe through video or maybe through the superimpose on the AutoCAD, you will know what is the amount of damage it has done. So these are the various stages where a drone can be used.
Okay, so how much cost saving does it help in say in a construction project when you have solar construction going on? How much cost and time save can happen when you use drones?
Right now, no one has done this time and cost saving analysis when using drone. But the way I look at it is you can plan your activity much better. So the cost overrun can be initially avoided. You can be sure on how you are going to mitigate the cost overrun or the time overrun by doing this construction mapping. I'll give you one example. Now you have an AutoCAD drawing, and then you are just today going and asking your team to do the construction, right? So but when you do the drone mapping, then construction mapping, then you will know what is the percentage of completion actually on ground versus what was envisaged during the planning. So that will give you a real picture probably every 15 days to every 1 month. So then you will be easily understanding whether it is going on a cost overrun or it is on intact, or should we take some measures to speeden up. So you will know. So that is the way I look at it. But once this is established, probably next step is like how will you save. This will give you understanding on the construction mapping. So then the next picture will come how much time saved or the money you have done using the construction mapping.